Welcome to Creating a Combat System by Pack Publishing. I'm a veteran game designer and developer and have developed using several different development tools, including Unity 5. I have designed and developed games for desktop computers, the web, tablets, smartphones, and Apple TV. I also have significant experience creating simulation and business software. Over the past several years, I have focused on educational games and have worked with Unity 5 since its release. I also had the pleasure of teaching in higher education for more than 15 years in the areas of computer science, information systems, and game design and development. In addition, I have published several books, including a few with Pack Publishing. In this video, our focus is on creating a combat system for games in Unity. That includes concepts such as artificial intelligence, health systems, scoring systems, and more. We will be using C# scripts to help us achieve our goals. The section on creating game artificial intelligence begins with an exploration of Unity's capabilities for artificial intelligence and how we can leverage that for our games. We will also plan a combat system for a simple first-person shooter game. Once we have our plans in place, we will be ready to start scripting our game's combat system, including the AI components. In our scripting player health section, we will start implementing the combat system we planned in the previous section. We will implement, through scripting, our player character's health system. Our scripts will establish how our character gains and loses health. We will display the status on screen during gameplay. We will create a similar system for our enemy characters. One of the great features of games is the ability to save our progress in a game and to respawn our character. These features have become commonplace in successful games, and we will tackle them in the Spawning Your Character section. Specifically, we will use scripts to store character settings and to respawn our player character in a specific location when that game character dies. We will create a scoring system for our game. We will make our design decisions based on the game we progressively created in the previous sections, and then implement that scoring system using scripts. You do not need to have a great understanding of C# or scripting to benefit from this volume. Having at least some familiarity with the Unity 5 interface is helpful, but also not required. We will look at game physics using the Unity game engine. Don't worry, you do not need to have taken a college physics class to implement physics in your games. That is one of the great benefits of using a full-featured game engine. We will start with a look at several basic and advanced physics concepts, to include force, torque, materials, and rigid bodies. In our particle system section, we will explore several effects that are possible with Unity's particle system. These effects include smoke, flames, liquid in motion, and even magic effects. We will explore these effects and the concept of capturing fluid graphics. In our collision section, we will focus on colliders. As you will learn, colliders are used to define the shape of objects for the purposes of collision detection. These invisible game objects are key to implementing physics in Unity games. We will explore colliders, meshes as colliders, and more. We will even use C# scripts to create interesting gameplay based on collision detection. Okay, let's get started with creating a combat system for our Unity 5 game. I'm ready. Are you?